When you get what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing left to want.
Mga kabayan, na-miss nyo na ba ang lutong Pinoy? Na-miss nyo na ba yung luto ni nanay, ni tatay, ni inang, ni amang? Samahan niyo ako at maghanap tayo ng pagkain Pinoy dito sa Abu Dhabi. I would like to thank Meds for joining me in this video. At shout out pala kay Sunshine na nag-request na magtagalog naman ako sa aking vlog. Ngayon, tayo pupunta sa city para maghanap ng pagkain Pinoy. Unang restaurant na ating bibisitahin, ang Hot Palayok Filipino Restaurant. Dito sa Hot Palayok Madinat Zayed Mall, mabubusog ka sa kanilang buffet sa halagang 49 dirhams. At ang paborito ko dito ay ang mga Pinoy na pampahimagas. Dito sa Ihawan Station, pwede ka magpaluto ng atay ng manok, balong-balunan, puso ng baka, or adidas at iba pa. At ngayon naman tayo magpunta sa katabing bagong bukas na Pulutan House Restaurant.
I would like to inform you that our buffet is only 49 dirhams. You can avail all the foods from here and upstairs because all the foods here and up is all different dishes but all included in 49 with iced tea. Here is the salad main courses and desserts and upstairs is the one we call Pulutan items.
Is it 49 dirhams every
Yes,
time?
all included.
Lagi. At ngayon, tayo magpunta sa taas kung nasaan ang barbecue station at iba pang ulam Pinoy. So,
Welcome, sir. Starting from here, we have sabaw, fried items, steak, yam, fish ball, and squid.
hello. Good evening po.
Fish is chicken, steak, chicken.
Sarap so, cake yam, fish ball. Ba't ano yung sauce? Yam sauce. Salamat. Kaping sauce si Mayor.
Beef sisig,
Sisig.
chicken barbecue, fried chicken skin, fried kwek-kwek, fish salad or kilawin, chicken salad or dinakdakan. This one is chicken spicy and this one is grilled tilapia. All of this is only 49 with a picture of iced tea. And I would like to inform more of you that we also do serve non-alcoholic wine, red wine, and white wine. A glass of wine is 16 and a bottle of wine is 75.
Kailan kayo nag-open? At ngayon naman, tayo pumunta sa susunod na restaurant na ating bibisitahin. Hindi pa tapos ang food trip, ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa 7 Hot Pot. Ang 7 Hot Pot ay isang Chinese restaurant, pero maraming Pinoy ang tumatangkilik dito dahil mahilig ang Pinoy sa mainit na sabaw. Okay, so we are at 7 Hot Pot beside Alawada Mall. Most Filipinos come here because of the soup and vegetables and meats that you mix with the bowl. You can have it spicy or not spicy. I'm with my friend Meds. Hello Meds. Hi, enjoy. Okay, so what are we putting in our hot pot? That's shiitake mushroom.
This is black fungus,
Black
and this is the
fungus.
tofu,
Tofu,
some vegetables,
also cabbage. I think this is a kangkong.
kangkong.
Yes.
This is a mushroom.
Different kind of mushrooms. And actually you can mix the ingredients the way you like it and how much you like it. It's all you can eat for 45 dirhams.
49.
49 dirhams, sorry. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo kung saan pwede kumain ng Filipino food sa Abu Dhabi. At salamat sa panonood at magkita-kita po tayo muli sa susunod kong mga videos.